What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mini drones in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing the DJI Mini 2 SE, a top contender for the finest entry-level mini drone on the market in 2023. This latest offering from DJI represents an upgraded version of their most budget-friendly intelligent model, featuring a slight enhancement in range and other essential aspects, all at a competitive price point. Equipped with a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor, this drone can capture 12-megapixel images and record 2.8K video footage. While this sensor size is commonly found in compact mirrorless cameras, more serious photographers usually prefer larger sensors with better heat dissipation and depth of field options. However, DJI assures that the smaller sensor size is justified when considering the portability and convenience of this palm-sized flying camera. The camera is attached to a cutting-edge gimbal that boasts a 3-axis mechanical stabilization system, ensuring smooth and stable images even in windy conditions. Thanks to its compact design, the drone weighs a mere 249 grams, 8.8 ounces, making it exempt from drone regulations in many regions worldwide. Targeted primarily at novice users, the DJI Mini 2 SE comes with user-friendly features, such as one-touch takeoff and landing, stable hovering, and a return-to-home function to simplify the flying experience. The drone supports HD video transmission up to 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, and offers a maximum flight time of just over 30 minutes. This updated model retains many similarities to its predecessor, but also boasts several enhancements. For instance, flight autonomy has been increased by 1 minute, allowing the drone to remain airborne for up to 31 minutes instead of the previous 30. Additionally, the drone features improved video streaming capabilities, transmitting live HD video from the camera up to 10 kilometers away. Numerous intelligent flight modes make operating the DJI Mini 2 SE a breeze while ensuring optimal results. The 3-axis stabilizer continues to provide ultra-smooth and sharp footage in all conditions. A 4x digital zoom feature adds versatility to the camera, enabling users to capture stunning images and videos. Intelligent quick shot and panoramic modes further enhance the drone's capabilities. Good stuff. If you're looking to save money while still acquiring a high-quality product, the Ryze Tello is the best budget mini drone in 2023. Tello stands out as the only drone on DJI's website that isn't explicitly labeled as a DJI product. This feature-rich mini drone was born from a collaboration between Ryze, Intel, and DJI, with the aim of developing the ultimate compact drone. When you see names like DJI and Intel, you might assume that this drone would be packed with cutting-edge technology and come with a hefty price tag. However, the Tello offers numerous impressive features without breaking the bank. This small drone boasts an HD camera, smart flight modes, image stabilization, and various sensors for steady flight. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Tello is its 5-megapixel camera, capable of recording 720p video. Larger drones like the Mavic or Phantom use a gimbal for video stabilization, but the Tello, being a smaller drone, doesn't have space for such a device. Instead, it utilizes electronic image stabilization, EIS, which we found to work exceptionally well. EIS transforms shaky, unwatchable footage into smooth images you'll be proud to share with friends. Another aspect that sets the Tello apart from its competitors is its unique flight modes, collectively called easy shots. For example, the up and away mode is a classic drone shot, where Tello flies away from you while slowly ascending, keeping you centered in the video. The most impressive mode is circle, where the Tello performs what other drones refer to as a point of interest or orbit. In this mode, the mini drone circles your target while maintaining focus on it, a feature not found in other drones lacking built-in GPS. The Tello's stability is quite impressive, as it employs multiple sensors and cameras to maintain its position. Infrared sensors, a downward-facing camera, and an altimeter work together to keep the Tello stable, particularly indoors and at heights below 10 feet, where the cameras can detect patterns on the ground. With an impressive flight time of 13 minutes, the Tello outperforms most drones of its size, which typically stay airborne for half that duration. Its 3.8-volt battery and newly designed propellers contribute to its extended flight time, showcasing the thoughtful engineering behind this little drone. Thumbs up. Introducing the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus, a top contender for the best mid-range mini drone in 2023, based on user feedback and reviews. Autel Robotics, recognized for their Evo 2 series and enterprise-level drones like the Dragonfish, unveiled their first compact foldable drone, weighing under 250 grams, 0.55 pounds. The Nano Plus closely mirrors the DJI Mini 2 and Mini 3 Pro models in size, weight, design, and functionality, making it the premium model in Autel's Evo Nano lineup. Upon its release, the Nano Plus boasted notable advantages over the DJI Mini 2, including a 50-megapixel 1.28 sensor that more than doubled the size of the Mini 2s, a lens with over a stop faster, and obstacle avoidance in 3 directions. Eventually, DJI launched the Mini 3 3 Pro, which shares similar specifications and even outperforms the Nano Plus in some aspects. However, it also carries restrictions not found on the Nano Plus. Privacy is a significant factor for users who prefer Autel drones, as no account creation is necessary to fly them. The Nano Plus camera outshines the Mini 2, delivering crisper, more vivid images. It also features obstacle avoidance capabilities, 4K 30p video capture, and comparable flight time. The Nano Plus controller employs a new app, Autel Sky, designed specifically for Autel's nano and light drones. One unique feature is Sound Record, enabling users to record voices and sounds from a smartphone connected to the controller, an option unavailable on DJI Mini models. Remarkably, Autel incorporated obstacle avoidance sensors on the drone's front, rear, and underside while maintaining a weight under 250 grams. This means hobbyists in most countries need not register their drone, though local guidelines should be consulted. To achieve this weight limit, Autel chose twist-off propellers, discarding heavy clips. The Nano Plus comes with a small screwdriver and extra screws for propeller replacement. The battery slides to the back, with slots above for memory card insertion and USB cable connection. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Meet the DJI Avada, the ultimate premium mini drone of 2023, handpicked for those seeking top-notch quality. The DJI Avada, DJI's most recent offering, is a powerhouse in the world of drones. Its larger size sets it apart from other drones on the market, but don't be fooled by its dimensions. The Avada is incredibly nimble and can tackle even the most challenging flying conditions. With an outstanding range, you can venture far from home without losing control over your drone. The DJI Avada boasts an extraordinary flight time of 18 minutes, making it one of the most enduring drones available. This extended flight duration is ideal for capturing video and aerial photography without fretting about a rapidly depleting battery. The long flight time also enables you to explore further distances with your drone, perfect for discovering new terrains or admiring breathtaking views from above. The DJI Avada is an incredibly potent and adept drone, offering a flight range of up to 10 kilometers. This remarkable range allows you to capture stunning aerial images from any location worldwide. With advanced sensors, obstacle avoidance technology, and a battery life optimized for longevity, the DJI Avada is the perfect companion for anyone seeking a fresh perspective on the world. Whether you're a professional photographer or simply looking to snap exceptional photos and videos of your environment, this drone will exceed your expectations. The DJI Avada is outfitted with a remarkable 1.7-inch CMOS camera, delivering an effective resolution of 48 megapixels. The wide 155-degree field of view ensures that users can capture incredible detail and vibrant colors in their shots. The DJI Avada boasts an impressive speed of 27 meters per second, which it can achieve in mere seconds. This maximum horizontal speed enables photographers to capture dynamic and stunning scenes more quicker than ever before. The drone's rotors supply ample power to maintain stability during flight, even in strong winds. The battery also features integrated sensors and chips that communicate with the aircraft and charger to optimize performance. When idle, the battery automatically enters sleep mode to conserve energy and prolong battery life. The DJI drone battery requires approximately 48 minutes to fully charge. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has emerged as the leading mini drone in 2023 after extensive reviews and customer feedback. This latest offering from DJI transcends its predecessors, boasting a plethora of impressive features while maintaining a weight under 250 grams. The Mini 3 Pro is a game changer in the world of drones, providing an unparalleled flying experience in a compact package. Unlike the entry-level Mavic Mini, the Mini 3 Pro is equipped with advanced technology, elevating it to a higher tier. The improvements in the Mini 2 were commendable, but the third-generation model takes innovation to a whole new level. The design updates contribute to the drone's versatility and functionality, making it an exceptional creative tool. Flying the Mini 3 Pro is effortless and secure, thanks to its numerous sensors and autonomous flight modes. The image quality produced by this drone is nothing short of stunning. The charging hub is a convenient feature, capable of charging 3 batteries simultaneously via a standard USB-C cable. Additionally, a USB Type-A socket is available for charging the remote control or your smartphone. One of the most significant design changes is the inclusion of 2 large obstacle detection sensors on the front of the drone. The cleverly shaped front ensures the camera's view remains unobstructed. The extended area between the front sensors allows the gimbal to point upwards at almost 90 degrees without interference, enabling low-angle shots that are impossible with previous models and even some top-tier drones. The Mini 3 Pro also introduces true vertical recording, with the camera module capable of rotating 90 degrees to capture videos and photos in a vertical format, perfect for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. DJI's new RC controller features an impressive 5.5-inch built-in screen with high brightness, suitable for flying in direct sunlight. The drone's maximum flight time is an incredible 34 minutes, and it can reach speeds of up to 35.8 miles per hour in sport mode. The Mini 3 Pro utilizes DJI's OcuSync transmission system, enhancing the live video resolution to 1080p and offering a range of 12 kilometers, 2 kilometers more than its predecessor. Overall, Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best mini drones in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.